Ever looked at your bank statement and wondered, where did that money go? And then, bam, you see a recurring charge from StashAway, a charge you totally forgot about? Or maybe you've reached your financial goals and want to pause or stop your automatic investments. You're not alone. Many people subscribe to services with recurring payments, thinking it's a great way to automate things, only to find themselves needing to make a change later. The convenience is great, until it's not. Today, we're diving deep into how to stop those recurring payments on StashAway, ensuring you're in complete control of your finances. Whether you're reassessing your investment strategy, needing to tighten your budget, or simply wanting to try something new, understanding how to manage your subscriptions is crucial. First things first, let's talk about why StashAway uses recurring payments. It's designed to make investing easy and consistent, allowing you to build wealth over time without constantly remembering to manually transfer funds. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, can be incredibly effective. However, life happens, and sometimes we need to adjust our plans. So, how do you actually stop those payments? It's simpler than you might think, but it does require navigating the StashAway platform. Let's break it down step by step. The key is to access your recurring transfer settings within your StashAway account. This usually involves logging into your account via the app or website. Once you're in, look for your profile or settings menu. Inside, you'll find a section related to transfers or recurring payments. Now, here's where things can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website. But the general process is the same. You'll need to locate the specific recurring transfer you want to stop. This might be linked to a particular portfolio or goal you've set up. Once you've found the relevant transfer, you should see an option to edit or cancel it. Selecting cancel is the most straightforward way to stop the payments entirely. You might be prompted to confirm your decision, so be sure to read the prompts carefully. If you're unsure which transfer to cancel, take a moment to review your portfolio and goals. This will help you identify the specific recurring payment you want to stop. It's also worth noting that StashAway often provides options to pause or modify your recurring transfers instead of canceling them outright. This can be useful if you're experiencing a temporary financial setback or need to adjust your investment amount. Look for these options within the transfer settings. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to StashAway's customer support. They're there to help you navigate the platform and ensure you can manage your investments effectively. You can usually find contact information within the app or on the StashAway website. Remember, stopping recurring payments doesn't mean you're abandoning your investment goals. It's about taking control and making informed decisions about your finances. You can always restart your recurring transfers later if you decide to. Also, before you cancel, consider the implications. Are you sure you don't want to just adjust the amount instead of canceling completely? Are you sure you are not just reacting to a short-term market fluctuation? If you are, maybe just pausing is better. Finally, keep in mind that the timing of your cancellation might affect when the changes take effect. Check StashAway's terms and conditions or contact customer support to understand the specific deadlines for stopping recurring payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.